Ovens can be notoriously difficult to clean. They get a lot of use and there can be a lot of baked on grime in both the oven door as well as on your oven racks. But we've got two tried and tested hacks that are so easy and will have your oven sparkling clean in no time. For our first oven cleaning hack, we're going to look after our oven racks. All you need is some stain remover like nappy sand and some boiling water. If you don't have a big container to put them in to soak, you can also use a bathtub or a kitchen sink. Submerge your oven racks with the nappy sand and the boiling water and then just let it soak until the water is cool. While we leave this to cool, we're going to go tackle the oven door. I don't think there's a simpler way to clean a grimy oven door than this cleaning hack. Just get some warm water and a dishwasher tablet. Just make sure you're wearing gloves because they're caustic. Oh, it's come straight off. Oh, this is amazing.